Hey guys, this is Zoltan_2005. Everyone's getting viral with these. Don't even know, all you do is spin it. But I'm getting addicted with these because now I'm getting a golden one. I'm getting it in a couple days. It's quite addictive. Yeah, I'm just saying, type in comments below what I'm doing with these. I can't do it for just one of these because this is ceramic, it's not powerful. Even my golden ones, I don't know about that one. Then yeah, follow my Instagram, @2005, and make sure to help me out so much. I know I do upload. Subscribe to future. He does a video every day, but I don't know if he's gonna do one. Shout you out next video, whatever, if you type here, and if I find out you liked, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do more videos about this one. When I got my golden one, yeah, I'm gonna do a spin-off. Yeah, peace.